Hello and welcome to class number 9. Alright, so basically I'm just gonna go down here. This will be a really quick one. I'll have the video right here underneath class 9. Just some common coding things that you will typically see. I just kind of quickly label these out, but honestly we've been using these a lot. You'll notice as we go through, and probably you have noticed, that a lot of the code that we write is kind of the same stuff, and you just retrofit it to work with what you need at the time. I find myself often, because I don't have the greatest memory of things, that I'll go back to previous projects where like I solved an issue that I'm currently having, and I'll look and figure out how I did it the previous time, and we'll reuse that code again onto another piece of code. Or if you look at other people's projects, sometimes you can take those and then figure out what they did and then incorporate into your own. And that's pretty common. And I would, tell you to do that all the time. So this is just that. It's not really all that exciting. Basically, what I want you to do is just to complete your games, okay? So all I did here is, so the 2D shooter, you can grab the complete project or just the scripts. And then here's the video tutorials. So basically, that one says 4. This one should have been 5. I'm going to need to fix that. But basically, the 2D shooter has 3 videos. You look at the road game, it only has 2. Okay. This is actually less in comparison to last week. The platform game has 2, and the Galaxy game has 3. Okay. So depending on what you decide to make, each one of those will be there, and basically you just meant to complete the game. So you should have a user interface by the end of it, along with a start screen of some sort and a way of quitting. Any ancillary scripts that are meant to support the primary game mechanics and stuff, and just overall polish. So if you want to adjust your graphics some, or you want to, just make sure there's no weird errors as far as your coding is concerned. And that's basically it. So at the end of this, your game should be complete. So you should have a complete 2D game. And feel free to veer off of mine. Like if you want to go farther with it and do some craziness, then, go for it. Don't feel like you have to do what mine is. But basically you're going to do this, and then we're going to do one last game. It's going to be a 3D game, and we will whip that out pretty fast, and that would be pretty easy, and then we'll be done. So that is it. If you have any issues, just feel free to email me or text me or whatever. All right, good luck.